In this video, I am going to show you how to make a video for Google Ads in Canva. So what you'll need to do first is open your preferred browser and go to canva.com. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. Of course, make sure that you're logged in into an account. If you are, that's good. If not, just go and log in. And if you don't have an account, go and create one. Here I'm just go now and I'm going to click on create at the top left. And here, of course, what you would like to create. So for me, I would like to create a Google Ads video. And as you can see, so which ad do you want? Do you want, as an example, an ad like landscape or big or something like portrait for the phone, as an example, or you can look for just like, I don't know, PC video. For example, you can look for mobile video. So it's totally up to you, depending on what is or what are you trying to target. Are you targeting like the mobile users or the PC users? If it's the mobile users, just go and choose the mobile video. If the PC users, just go and choose the video and landscape, which is the PC users. So here you can start working on your Google Ads video. I guess if you go to the templates here and you type for like Google Ads or something like that, or basically ads or something like that, you should find a lot of like template that can help you out as an ad. Of course, some of them will need the pro plan, so if you don't have it, you can just use the free ones, like this one. Let's just say this is your ad, so apply those as an example. As an example, let's say that this is your ad. Of course, it's a video here, so if you play it, you'll see your animation stuff. If you didn't like anything about this ad, you can simply just go and remove it. Maybe I don't want any music in my ad, and here, as an example, I want to change this text. I can just go and click on it and just type hello. It's totally up to you to do whatever you want now with your Google Ads. Once you finish, you can simply just export it, download it, do whatever you want with it, and that's about it. That's how you make a video for Google Ads in Canva. So if you have any questions, just leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out.